This video is an example solve of the Siamese Rubik's Cube, and it's mainly just an example for my eBay buyers. I'm not really focusing on speed, not that I've solved it that many times anyways. So, here we go. Two minutes and 13 seconds. So, if you want to buy this cube, or maybe some other cubes that I might put up on the site, like right now I'm selling my 3x3x5 extended. Check out my eBay site. I'll put the link to the right, and I'll see you on eBay.